video. I haven't made a video in a long time. Thought I'd do a quick little video of what's going on out here in my garage. I know Nate's been posting a lot of stuff with his Annabelle and doing paint and all kinds of stuff. Here's with me. Here's my 66 that I got. It's just a 302, 351 heads, wall packs and Pro Charger on it. Ain't nothing, or supercharger. Ain't nothing special. Bent the push rod, or mushroomed a push rod on it. Had the weld on roll tips. Mushroomed it, so got all new hardened push rods for it. Clean the intake up. There's the intake for it. We gotta put it all back together and get it all back going again. And we move over here to good old Freakshow. She has been stubborn. There ain't been much going on with it. Had converter issues. Not running the best, so did a converter swap on it. And in the process of putting that in still. Take it underneath here so you see transmission is in it, but still got a lot of stuff to put back together. So that's my goal today, is to finish putting it together, get it back to going, get it fired up, get it on the ground. Maybe go make a street pass on it this afternoon. Depends on what this weather does. It's too freaking hot. I don't know where you guys are at, but here in the St. Louis, Midwest area, it's freaking hot. Yeah, it's humidity here is ridiculous right now. So we just come out and staying in the air conditioning garage and doing some work. So I'm gonna do some work here. Get these push rods in, get it adjusted out, everything done, and I'll post you guys up some videos of what's going on with the car later on. Quick little video, so I'll send it to Nate and we'll get all this going. Have a good day, afternoon, guys. Alright, update. All new push rods are in. Rockers adjusted, everything's done. Everything's put back together, girdles are on, we're good. So this is the reason why you guys do not need to ever buy roller push rods. See, here you have a push rod in your camera. That is missing the tip. It looks like that. Here is the tip. It breaks off. Or it does this. Focus. It mushrooms out. Or it should look like that. It mushrooms out like that. So, that's the reason why you buy one-piece hard push rods, not the ball type weld-on ones, because they're junk. Especially when you come to higher lift or solid flat-tapped motors, or even solid roller motors. Always do hard push rods, one piece. So, I'll make another update here in a minute, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to clean the intake up, clean the block up, and we're going to put everything back together. See you in a few. Still trying to get the air out of it. There you go, guys. It runs again.